Konnichiwa minasan. Hey friends, how are you? Welcome to Saral Japani YouTube channel, a place for Japanese learning. And today is the 62nd lesson of the series of lessons for beginners. In the last lesson, we learned about doko and introduced dochira. Although in general, dochira is the formal or the more polite version of doko, there is definitely more than that. Hence, this additional lesson, that is the lesson 62 on this topic, is to discuss more about dochira. Friends, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, Saral Japani, you can do so that you receive notifications of all the new videos being uploaded. The URL of this channel is youtube.com/at Saral Japani. That is at SARALJAPANI. For the videos of all the previous 61 lessons we have done so far, visit the playlist section of this channel and click on the below playlist, Japanese Lessons for Beginners, and there you will find all the previously posted 61 lessons. So let's begin today's lesson 62, where doko and dochira. Let's begin with the recap of the last lesson, that is lesson 61, in which we learned about doko, koko, soko, and asoko. Doko is used to ask or inquire about the location, place, or address of someone or something. That is, it's a where question. Doko desu ka means where is it? Koko, soko, and asoko may be used to answer a doko question, where koko means here, that is near the speaker, soko means there, near the listener, and asoko means over there, that means at a larger distance, and which is away from both the speaker and the listener. The question will be in the form of noun or pronoun wa doko desu ka? And here are a few examples. If we want to ask where is the bank, then it will be ginko wa doko desu ka? Ginko means bank. Likewise, where is the hospital? Hospital means being. Being wa doko desu ka? Where is the rail station? Eki. Eki wa doko desu ka? And the answer may be koko desu, means it's here or here it is. Soko desu, it's there or there it is. And asoko desu, it's over there, which is at a larger distance and away from both the speaker and the listener. Then we discussed in the last lesson about doko no. We all know that no is a particle which is used to express belongingness or possession of something by someone. So doko means where and doko no means belongs to where or belongs to which place. So the question format will be noun or pronoun wa doko no desu ka? Means where is this thing from, or which place these things belong to, or where have you brought this thing from. Computer, where is this computer from? That is, the manufacturer of the computer is in which country. The meaning is this. Where is this computer from? So sono panson wa doko no desu ka? Sono means this. This computer is from which place? Where is this TV from? Sono terebi wa doko no desu ka? Sono terebi. So this was kono. That means this computer. And this is sono means that television. Sono terebi. Terebi means television. Wa doko no desu ka? That television belongs to which place, or where is that TV from? The answer may be Kankoku no desu. Kankoku no desu means it's from South Korea. So by adding no with doko, we ask the question of belongingness of something to a place. So that was the recap from the last lesson 61. Then dochira we have discussed earlier in this series in lesson 30 in connection with asking the nationality or the country of a person. So let's do a quick recap of that as well, and then we will begin our today's lesson on dochira. So what we studied in lesson 30 was dochira is the more polite or formal version of doko, meaning where. Dochira kara, And dochira kara is the one that we learned in lesson 30. Dochira kara, as we all know, kara is the particle which means from. So dochira kara means where from. So dochira kara is used to ask the name of someone's country or place or the native place. So for example, dochira kara desu ka? If you ask someone dochira kara desu ka, that means where are you from? Then the answer will be, for example, Nihon kara desu. That is, I am from Japan. Dochira kara desu ka? Nihon kara desu. Another way to use dochira to ask someone's country or nationality is okuni wa dochira desu ka? Kuni means country and O is the honorific, as we have learned earlier that when we ask a question like this we begin with O. This is just a form of again politeness and it is known as an honorific. So O kuni wa dochira desu ka? Where are you from? Or which country are you from? It's not that where is your country, although we are using where, but it doesn't mean where is your country. It means where are you from or which country do you belong to. So this usage we learned in lesson number 30, dochira kara desu ka and dochira desu and okuni wa dochira desu ka. Dokono or dochirano is not used to ask someone's country or someone's place. It's always either dochira kara or okuni wa dochira desu ka. So this is a very important point that should be kept in mind while using doko and dochira. So now let's begin today's content, dochira. Dochira is the polite or formal form of doko used to ask about the location of someone, something, or a place. In addition, dochira is exclusively used, that is, doko is not used, to ask the country or nationality of a person, as we discussed in previous slide, that is in lesson 30 as well. Then we have a special usage of dochira. So dochira may be used to ask about where a person works. That is, doko is used to ask while doko is used to ask the location of the office. For example, if we ask kaisha wa dokora desu ka? Kaisha wa dochira desu ka? That doesn't mean where is your office. Kaisha is office. Kaisha wa dochira desu ka? This does not mean where is your office or what is the location of your office, but it means where do you work. Kaisha wa dochira desu ka is where do you work. It's not asking about the address of the office, that is location of the office, but the office where you are working. So this should be kept in mind that when we ask someone like where does he work or what's his profession, so we can ask him like this about his office, kaisha wa dochira desu ka? So this is not something like where is the office located, but where do you work. Never use nan, that is what, in place of dochira to ask someone's work. It's considered as rude or impolite. So always use dochira to ask someone about his working place or about his work, and do not use what or nan. Dochira is also exclusively used, that is doko is not used, to ask about the direction of a place, that is which way or in which direction something lies. For example, O tearai wa dochira desu ka? Tearai means toilet or the washroom. So which way is the restroom? Suppose you are inside a hotel and you are not able to find the restroom. Then you are asking someone about where is the restroom located or which way you should go to reach the restroom. In that case, you use dochira. O tearai wa dochira desu ka? Like koko, soko, and asoko for a doko question, a dochira question may be answered using kochira, sochira, and achira. The meanings are exactly the same as koko, soko, and asoko respectively. So if the question has been asked using dochira, the answers may be using kochira, sochira, and achira. So to this question, O tearai wa dochira desu ka? The answer may be kochirae dozo. Kochirae dozo means please come here or this way please. So this is a very very polite answer. The person is replying, not only replying, but he is guiding him with the way he should move to reach the restroom. So kochira means this way, or here. Kochira means here, and e dozo when is if added, then it means please come this way or please come here. The toilet is just like it's here only, so please come this way. So this way is the toilet. Or the answer may be sochira des if the toilet or the restroom is located uh, a little distance away, then sochira des. That means sochira means it's located near the uh, near the listener. Sochira des, it's over there. So it's at a distance from the speaker. So this is how dochira is used to ask about the direction of a place. Then dochira is also used to select one item from a group of items. For example, it can be used to identify the more expensive item from two or more items. So it will be clear if we use an example. So before going into the example, a particle ga will be used in this connection with dochira. That is, dochira ga will mean which one. So now the meaning of dochira is not where, but it gets changed to which. If we use ga particle, dochira ga, then it means which one. So dochira ga takai desu ka? Takai means expensive. So when we ask dochira ga takai desu ka, it means which one is expensive. That means you are showing, someone is showing to you two or more items at a shop, and you are asking which out of them is more expensive. Then you can use dochira ga. Dochira ga takai desu ka? Which one is expensive? Again, in the last lesson 61, we saw the usage of ga particle in below example. When Honda-san says, sumimasen desu ga, erebeta wa doko desu ka? That means, excuse me, but which way is the, or where is the elevator? So here we use ga. So in the last in this example, although we use doko desu ka, so here is the elevator. So here, although we have written which way, but this is not which way, then we should have used dochira desu ka, right? So in the previous slide, we have seen ote arai wa dochira desu ka. So here, if we want to give the meaning of which way, then we should use dochira. But since it is used doko, since doko is used here, so it will be where is the elevator, not which way is the elevator. Ga particle will be explained in detail in the next lesson. So we have not done this ga particle as a lesson yet, but we have been encountering this particle now quite frequently. So I believe we should have a full lesson on this particle. So lesson 63, that is the next lesson, will deal with this ga particle. So let's do a quick recap of what we learned about dochira today. So dochira may be used to ask several types of questions. One is dochira desu ka, where or which place. So party wa dochira desu ka, where is the party? Taisha wa dochira desu ka, where do you work? Just notice the difference of usage. Then we discussed about ote arai wa dochira desu ka, where we are mentioning about the direction, asking about the direction. So which way is the toilet? Sensei wa dochira desu ka? Where or where is the professor or where is the teacher? That means the current location or the current presence of the teacher inside the school or the university. So a student is asking where is the teacher, where has he gone? So his current presence, he is being inquired. Sensei wa dochira kara desu ka? Now dochira kara means belongs to which place. Sensei wa dochira kara desu ka? And finally, we learned about dochira ga takai desu ka? That means which one is expensive. So if you take the snapshot of this slide, then you will understand by looking at each of these examples, these 6 different usages of dochira. There are 6 examples, and by looking closely at these examples, you can understand the varied usage of dochira. And this is the reason why we have kept two lessons on doko and dochira. In the last lesson, we discussed more about doko, and this lesson was all about dochira. So friends, that's all for today. Hope you liked this video and understood the content. Do subscribe to this channel and keep watching all the previously posted videos, and also do watch the videos that will be posted in due course. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, arigato gozaimasu. Mata imasho.